Guys, I really hope the sound records this time. I'm parked. I'm not even driving, it's in park. Hear that sound? Please help me. This is Prius, Toyota, 2010. A lot of people told me this is heat shield. My brother told me this is possibly what are they called? The joints under the engine. I don't think those are that, because it makes the engine shake. This sound is more heard on the inside more than the outside, and low RPMs is heard mostly. Higher RPMs in the freeway, it goes away. And this car wasn't driven for a year, so I don't know what issues could have happened, and it was previously wrecked from the right corner of the front. I don't know. There's something going on. The heat shield didn't seem to be shaking too much, other than the heat shield, the one that's right under the engine. There's a piece of it that's loose, a tiny bit wiggly, but it didn't look like it was rattling or anything. I'm guessing it's exhaust, something right on this side of the engine in the car. I don't know. Please